Okay. Shri Sad Goswami Astakam Ki Jai. Oh, Krishna. Can you read that?
On the phone. On the phone, you can't.
No.
Okay. So I tell you what, Jayanti can read it.
I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, for always engaged in chanting the holy name of Krishna and dancing. They're just like the ocean of love of God. They're popular both with the gentle and with the ruffians, because they're not envious of anyone. Whatever they do, they're all pleasing to everyone. They're fully blessed by Lord Chaitanya. Thus, they're engaged in missionary activities meant to deliver all the conditioned souls in the material universe. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, and who are very expert in scrutinizingly studying all the revealed scriptures with the aim of establishing eternal religious principles for the benefit of all human beings. Thus, they are honored all over the three worlds, and they are worth taking shelter of because they are absorbed in the mood of the gopis and are engaged in the transcendental loving service of Radha and Krishna. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who are very much enriched in understanding of Lord Chaitanya, who are thus expert in narrating his transcendental qualities. They can purify all conditioned souls from the reactions of the sinful activities by pouring into them transcendental songs about Govinda. As such, they are very expert in increasing the limits of the ocean of transcendental bliss. They are the saviors of the living entities from the devouring mouth of liberation. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who kicked off all association of aristocracy as insignificant in order to deliver the poor conditioned souls that accepted loincloths, treating themselves as mendicants. They are always merged in the ecstatic ocean of the gopis' love for Krishna and bathe always and repeatedly in the waves of that ocean. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who are always engaged in worshipping Radha Krishna in the transcendental land of Vrindavan, where there are beautiful trees full of fruits and flowers which have under their roots all valuable jewels. The Goswamis are perfectly competent to bestow upon the living entities the greatest boon of the goal of life. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who were engaged in chanting the holy names of the Lord and bowing down in scheduled measurement. In this way, they utilized their variable lives, and in executing these devotional activities, they conquered over eating and sleeping and were always meek and humble, enchanted by remembering the transcendental qualities of the Lord. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who were sometimes on the bank of the Radhakund lake or the shores of the Yamuna, and sometimes at Vamshivat. There they appeared just like madmen in full ecstasy of love for Krishna, exhibiting different transcendental symptoms in their bodies. They were merged in the ecstasy of Krishna consciousness. I offer my respectful obeisances unto the six Goswamis, namely Sri Rupa Goswami, Sri Sanatan Goswami, Sri Raghunath Bhatt Goswami, Sri Raghunath Das Goswami, Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sri Gopal Bhatt Goswami, who were chanting very loudly everywhere in Vrindavan, shouting, Queen of Vrindavan, Radharani, O Lalita, O son of Nand Maharaj, where are you all now? Are you just on the hill of Govardhan, Are you under the trees on the bank of the Yamuna? Where are you? These were their moods in executing Krishna consciousness. Sad Goswami ki jai.
So this is a bhajan written by Srinivas Acharya, and we were looking at his life yesterday, and his disappearance day was on Sunday. So we like to sing that bhajan. Actually, Karuna Bandar will sing that bhajan. Please go ahead.
Krishna Kirtana Gananartana Paro Premamritamo Nidhi Dhira Dhira Jana Priya Priya Karo Nirmatsaro Pujito Shri Chaitanya Kripa Bara Bhuvi Bhuvo Bharavahantarako Vande Rupa Sanatana Raghuyugo Shri Jiva Gopalako Nana Shastra Vicharanay Kanipuno Sadharma Sanstapako Lokanam Hitakarino Tribhuvane Manyo Sharanyakaro Radha Krishna Padaravinda Bhajana Nandena Matariko Vande Rupa Sanatana Raghuyugo Shri Jiva Gopalako Shri Gauranga Gunanuvarnana Vido Shraddha Samir Dhyanvito Papo Tapani Krinchano Tanubritam Govinda Ganamrite Anandambudivardhanaikannipuno Kaivalyanishtarako Vande Rupa Sanatana Raghuyugo Shri Jiva Gopalako Tyaktva Tonamashesha Mandalapati Shrenim Sadatu Chavar Bhutva Dina Ganesha Karunaya Kopina Kantashito Gopi Bhavarsamrita Bilahari Kalola Magno Muhur Vande Rupa Sanatano Raghuyugo Shri Jiva Gopalako Kujat Kokilaham Sasarasagana Kirne Mayu Rakule Nana Ratna Nibadha Mula Vichapashri Yukta Vrindavane Radha Krishna Mahanisham Prabhajato Jivartado Yomuda वन्दे रूप सनातन रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको संख्यापूर्वक नाम गाननतिभिः कालावसानि कृतो निद्राहार विहारकादिविजितो चत्यान्तदीनो चयो राधा कृष्ण गुणस्मृते मधुरिमाम् नन्देन समोहितो वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको राधा कुन्द तटे कलिन्दतनया तीरे छवं शिवके प्रेमोन्मादविषादशेषदशया ग्रस्तो प्रमातो सदा गायन्तो च कदा हरे गुणवराम् भावाभिभूतो मुदा वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको हे राधे व्रज देवी के चलिते हे नंद सुनो पूता श्री गोवर्धन कल्प पादप तले कालिंदिवने कुता गोशान्ताविति सर्वतो व्रजपुरे खेदैर्महाविवलो वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको कृष्णो कीर्तन गान नर्तन परो प्रेमामृताम्भो निधि धीरा धीर जना प्रियो प्रियकरो निर्मत्सरो पूजितो श्री चैतन्य कृपाभरो भुवि भुवो भारावहं तारको वन्दे रूपसनातन रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको वन्दे रूपसनातनो रघुयुगो श्रीजीव गोपालको श्री सद्गोस्वामी अष्टकम की जय व्यासाचार्य की जय श्री प्रभुपाद
की जय। हरे कृष्ण। करुणाबंधा की जय।